Fixing automatic document feeder issues in the HP Envy Inspire 7200, 7200E, 7900, 7900E all-in-one printer series. If the automatic document feeder, or ADF for short, on your printer is experiencing issues, follow these steps to troubleshoot the potential causes. Note: after each step listed, attempt to print a document to see if the issue has been resolved. If it hasn't, proceed to the following step. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only new, clean, and quality paper that meets printer specifications. Slide the paper width guides outwards and then remove the paper from the document feeder. Remove any severely bent, wrinkled, or torn pages from the stack. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Insert the stack of paper back into the document feeder and then slide the paper guides inwards until they touch the edges of the paper. Clear jammed paper from the printer. Lift the document feeder cover and, using both hands, remove any jammed paper. Then lower the document feeder cover until it snaps back into place. Lift the document feeder tray and remove any jammed paper from beneath the document feeder. Then, lower the document feeder tray. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris can accumulate on the paper feed rollers, causing paper jams and feed issues. Cleaning the rollers helps prevent future paper jams. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cord. Disconnect any other cable if there are any attached. Remove any media from the document feeder tray and lift the document feeder cover. Lightly dampen the cloth with the water and squeeze any excess water from the cloth. Gently clean the separator pad and the rollers with the damp cloth. Allow the separator pad and rollers to dry completely before moving forward. This will take about 10 minutes. Lower the document feeder cover until it snaps back into place. Resetting the printer can help clear a paper jam error message if there is no physical media actually jammed in the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds and reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If the issue continues, service the printer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.